Attention please. Amtrak is requiring that customers wear facial coverings while in stations and aboard trains and buses. To learn more about what we are doing to ensure a safe environment, please visit Amtrak.com. For instructions on how to create your own facial covering, please visit ctc.gov. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
Microphone.